Did you know that this simple looking website get more visitors than Amazon in US? Millions of people use it every day, and the name of this website is iLovePDF. If you are watching this video, you must have used this website at least once, but most of the people don't know who built it and how it became a global platform. The story begins in 2010 with Marco Grossi, a freelancer web developer from Barcelona. One day he needed to merge two PDFs. Like most people, he searched online for a tool, but the options were slow, confusing or paid. Instead of paying, he decided to build his own tool. Soon he realized many people had the same problem, so he made the tool free for everyone. People around the world start using it, and he slowly started adding more features like PDF splitting, converting formats, compressing file and signing documents. Over time it became a complete platform for handling PDFs, and surprisingly till now the company didn't spend any money on marketing. All the traffic directly coming from SEO or word of mouth. As the traffic kept growing, they faced big problem. The server costs start increasing because of the high traffic, and this is the point where Marco started treating this website as a real business. iLovePDF runs on a freemium model. Basic features are free, but users can pay for premium tools. They also make money from ads and providing services to startups, and they also provide APIs to developers. The biggest lesson for all of us is simple: solve a real problem. Marco didn't start with a big business plan. He just solved his own problem. Focus on building something useless, keep it simple and listen to users. That's how a small tool become a global platform and used by millions every day. If you like this video, you can hit the subscribe button.